Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I just want to do a quick video. I've seen a lot of you guys asking what the different letters mean on the middle of the speedometer here when you have to have maintenance done. So I thought it'd be a good idea. I can bring up this little sheet here and it'll kind of go over the what those letters mean when they have a letter and then it has a number behind it. There's like A and B and then A1, B1, all those kind of things. So it makes it really easy and should be in your owner's manual as well. But this is an easy way. You can write it down. That's what I do. I write it in my phone. So then I can refer to it. So when you go to the dealer, you know exactly what they're referring to. So here's the codes from Acura as far as the maintenance minder, all this stuff. So you can see on the left, when the oil life gets down to 15%, and 5% and 0%, it'll tell you what you should do. Then in the middle, you got the maintenance main items. So when you see an A, that's the replacing the oil. And you got the B, it's the oil and the filter. Even though most times, every time I've taken it in, they do the oil and filter together. But here it's showing that you could use a filter again, but I wouldn't, especially for the price. And then you see on the third column, maintenance sub-items. Now those are what the numbers refer to. So when you see 1, 2, through 6, it'll show you. Like the 1 is very common. It's to rotate tires, and you check the pressures. And then 2, they're going to recommend the air cleaner, and then they check the belts and all that kind of stuff. So again, I know it's basic information. It's in the owner's manual, but a lot of people were asking what they mean. They didn't know, so I thought it's an easy place you can find it. Write it down, put it in your notes. It does make it easy, like I said. So then when you go to the dealer, if you're going to the dealer to get this stuff done, you already know ahead of time what's due. So they can't upsell you and all that kind of stuff. Just go off the maintenance minder. A lot of times they'll recommend replacing the filter, even though sometimes it's not even required. So at least this way you'll know, and you can save that for the next time. It's the best way to service the car. It knows what you need. Again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you didn't know, Honda does something real similar. It probably is the same thing, but this is specifically for the Acuras. Okay, so again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there. I'll have another video coming up very shortly. I appreciate all the support. I really do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.